Today on RJ's Homestyle, I'll share with you a simple, easy to make spring shadow box for your wall art. Stay tuned. Welcome back, stylers. Thank you for joining me. I recently had a decor dilemma. Have you ever had a decor dilemma? I was in the mood for new wall art, and I had a particular idea in mind that I wanted. So I headed off to my local store, and I found exactly what I was looking for my new decor project. What I found was these ivy mats. I know you've seen these plenty of times before. And then what I wanted to do with the ivy mat was I wanted to put it into a shadow box for the wall. So I headed to the shadow box department, but all I could find were these 12 by 12 inch shadow boxes. I bought 6 of these, and more on that in a future video. The dilemma was, while this is 12 inch by 12 inch, the ivy mats were only 10 inch by 10 inch, and there were no other larger sized ivy mats to be found. And it is just way too small for what I wanted. It would sink too low. I didn't want to prop it up, and then it doesn't really fill it up the way I wanted. So of course, that meant I had to make one. So I chose 5-gallon paint stir sticks from Walmart and decided to make my shadow box from those. Now, I wanted this to be really lush and full. I didn't want open areas around like it would be in a much larger frame. So while this is 10 inch by 10 inch, that's the measurement of the volume of leaves. The actual mat is only 9 3/4 inches long on all 4 sides. So I took that measurement, I transferred that to the paint sticks, cut accordingly, glued accordingly, and painted accordingly, and I came up with this, which is completely boxed in, has a wonderful lip frame around it, very reminiscent of the original idea. It's just a more perfect fit. Now, also what helps with measuring the mat and not the actual leaves is it's so simple to then take it, no glue, no picks, no pins, nothing else, and you literally can just take it and wedge it in, just like this. Just wedge it in, get it down in your frame, get your mat down in there, and then just give it a little bit of zhuzhing here and there. And once you have your ivy mat inserted into your frame, simply place it on your wall for a beautiful spring decor wall art piece. I hope you've enjoyed this craft. I hope you'll try it yourself. And I'm sure most of you by now have noticed this empty sectional frame next to my left. This I'm calling the Magic Fun Frame, and it's going to be an area where I place crafts or anything else that I might find of interest to you. Currently, I am sharing a small and polite social media message. Wash your hands. Let's all wash our hands, and let's start doing that today and the rest of our lives. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you soon again. Bye for now.